Hello, my name is Christopher Lyans. I'm here in Los Angeles, California, and I work as a plumber. And as a plumber, I had a problem that I'm making a good living, but a great amount of that money was going away to uh, taxes in the state and on the federal level. So I just wanted to share my experience with opening a trust and let you know that it is 100% possible for you to open up an ecclesiastical trust. And here is the proof of my trust. It's all out of order right now. Notarized by the state. Christopher Lyons Trust. And with that, I was able to open up a trust checking account, and I now have all my 1099 income deposited into that because I have an amazing employer who believes in what I'm doing and took away all the W-2. And so because of that, I received benefit from the state in the form of free health insurance and over $4,000 worth of food benefit per year. And I'm looking into ways that I can get housing as well. And so those things are like $40,000 to $50,000 of savings per year. Um, and now I'm also building credit under my trust and opening up another trust for my Christian ministry, Christ's Offer Trust. Here I pulled the EIN for that. Here's the trust. Here's the EIN for that. And next would be to go and get a bank account for that and a second bank account for my first trust. So going through these different processes, and I just wanted to share with you that it's completely possible that you can give back your assets to God, and God will then give you control to have control over your life and over all the evil institutions that are in existence today. So if you just go through the coursework, like the McCaig Mastery Trust Bundle, and find the steps for each of these areas, and then apply them to your area and your specific needs, that you will not have any problem, and that with the support of the Liberty Aid Academy, you can ask more questions. I'm happy to help. I love helping because it helps me to learn these processes by repeating them back to you and getting a question. Hey, how do you do this in your area? I've had trouble over here. Help me out with that. So I'm really enjoying that aspect of helping others. And it's expanding me to start to learn how to make money in other ways, like mentoring people on how to get started in plumbing or how to stay healthy as a plumber or how to, get tax benefits like these. So I'm just really grateful to John's work. Thank you, John. Thank you to Liberty Aid Academy's community for all your support in helping this get done. Um, I don't know what else to say. Is that, um, you know, yeah, you can do it, and it's worth it. And this is the way. As far as all the other information that's out there, they are false. They are misleading. They're confusing, and this is simple. This is very creates a more simple um, Zen type experience that will give you peace in your heart and to help you in order to be free, in order to go out and do good in the world. And so I'm very grateful to be uh, on this path of exercising truth, freedom, and liberty in the world, and grateful to this community for all that I've received. Good luck. Take care.